All right, so I'm heading over to this local car show that I found out this morning. So I'm not sure if it's finished or not because a lot of these car shows happen in the morning. They finish really early. It's about 2 o'clock, and I have other things that I want to shoot today, but maybe this will be like just its own video. So if you don't like cars, you can probably skip this video. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it's probably gonna be just a short video about this car show that's about 10 minutes from my house. So I'm walking there now. A huge hospital here. This cool little, I don't even know what this is, like a Daihatsu. It's so small. Look at this thing. It's so tiny. Like the old S500, S550, like the original S2000. I don't know, it's crazy. Maybe it's coming from the car show. Park's about 5 minutes from this way. This way. Alright, so this guy, this real estate guy just stopped me. I told him I couldn't, I'm a foreigner. Then he started speaking English, so then he just stalled me and started talking to me in English. Look at this Rubicon. Dang, that's crazy. I don't really see too many Rubicons. Right-hand drive. It's crazy to see a Jeep with the right-hand drive. Anyways, this park should be about 5 minutes from here. I think it's this way. Look at this thing. AMG. So the thing about Japan is you always see like really nice cars. That's one thing that I love about Japan. If you like cars, this highest, all this. So you see them, oh, there's a Maserati over there too. And that small little apartment. A lot of these Japanese people will buy like a nice car and a nice motorcycle, but they'll live in like just like a 1-bedroom studio. So I guess it gives them a little bit of freedom. But yeah, you'll see a lot of nice cars like on the street separately, but it's nice to have them in one area like a car show. So daily I see some really crazy cars sometimes, but separately. I think I'm going the right way, hopefully. Look at that. It's like a Land Rover. The crazy exhaust out of the front, or the intake out of the front. So this car show is going to be at some park near my house. It's a huge park, you can kind of see over there. I think they just built it recently. A lot of cool stuff out here. It's a huge park. People in kimonos taking a picture here. Just one girl in a kimono. It's pretty fancy. I think I see it over there. Pretty nice, surrounded by mountains. It's one thing I like about living in Japan. A lot of nature. You wouldn't think that. Oh, what am I doing? Alright, so we're here. It looks like some kind of car rental place outside, but also there's a car show inside there. Maybe you have to pay, I think. Hope it's not too expensive. Whoa. Yeah, I think it's like some sort of like promotion through Toyota. Some Corollas here. And they got this old school Corolla here. TE27. Whoa, it's crazy here. I wonder if I can just walk in there. Oh, I can. Alright, I'm just gonna go through this is called the second Japanese Neoclassic Car Festival in... Oh, it ends at 3 o'clock. Perfect. It's 2:20. Shoot. Alright, I'm gonna run through this real quick. Then I'm gonna take some pictures. What the heck? Is that monetized? Alright, we got a GTR. The weather's not really good for filming, but dang, it's crazy. So many people though. Look at this interior. It's pretty clean. Skyline's out here. This one. Dang, I only got 30 minutes. Let's check out this interior. Dang, it's clean. Got a TV inside. Man, this thing is clean. Alright, it's a pretty small show. A lot of old cars. Look at this thing. Oh man, this thing is crazy. Let's look inside. Dang, it's crazy. Another skyline. Sylvia. Oh, it's not even a skyline, is it? Sylvia. This thing is clean too. I hope I have enough time. Got a RX-7 in the back over here. Wow. What is this thing? Dang, this thing is so clean. It smells like the 90s. It's a Lotus. I just hit that mirror. Damn, what the heck is this? Another Lotus? Dang, this is like the Lotus gang over here. There's gonna be another car show on Wednesday here, but it's my girlfriend's birthday, so I wanted to hit it up in the morning, but supposed to rain, so hopefully it doesn't. Look at this thing. This thing is super clean. I think I've seen this car before. Yeah, I feel like I've taken a picture of this car. These wheels. Yeah, I feel like I've taken a picture of this car before. It's a Subaru. I don't even know what it is. Look at this thing. What the heck is this? Subaru R2. Dang, is that a Volkswagen? A lot of cool cars here. I love old cars. Oh my gosh, this looks like a 1970s microwave. I don't know. Look at all those knobs. Crazy. What is this thing? Crazy. This is a oh my god. How do you even get in this car? So small. Daihatsu. Oh my god, look at these pedals. It's like a little clown car. It's called the Midget. What a crazy cars here. Oh my gosh. This Doom buggy. Crazy. Oh my gosh, what is this? Alright, better hurry it up here. Gotta take a bunch of pictures. Oh my gosh. some Corollas. Got a Supra back there. What the heck? Crazy. What are these? Oh my god. It's crazy. There's the guy on the ladder over there. Oh, there's more cars over there in the parking lot. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's not part of the car show. That's just people coming to the show. The skyline out there. This is NSX. Damn, this is like stock. It's pretty clean. I love the NSX. My friend had one of these. I think this music's gonna be demonetizing my video. Wow. I gotta bust out the camera soon. This is a Honda Civic, I think. It's maybe the first gen. Dang, this is awesome. It's so small. It's literally like one fat person could fit in here. Oh my gosh, crazy. Is this custom? I think this is like a custom, like extra wheels. Got a Corona. Dang, look at this. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. I love how they put this old Japanese bicycle on. Alright, we got some crowns. I'm gonna take some pictures and try to make some more videos after this. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video here and then I'll start a new one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like cars, please check out the other car videos in my cars playlist. See ya.